Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Ufa. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we modernized and began replacing outdated and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years and know very well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one on my own, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changed and automated. The plan of modernization was to buy conveyor scales, which are used for continuous weighing of finished pharmaceutical products and rejection by weight. It is used in the line for packing goods. We wanted to purchase a state-of-the-art package weight control detector with a testing speed of 100 packages per minute. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in selecting and remained in contact with some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I began contacting the manufacturers by telephone to find out if they could produce a pack weight monitor. She said that they do not manufacture this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for the packaging weight control detector, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another option for the machine. I was looking on the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience with equipment supplied by a Chinese intermediary, when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The male manager talked to me like a professional. He asked specific questions about the desired performance of the machine, the speed of testing, and the accuracy of the equipment. At the stage of consultation, he suggested a conveyor belt weight control detector, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the company management. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. Manager 2 weeks prior to delivery reported the readiness of the detector, and soon delivered the unit. The equipment has a modern control system with an LCD screen. The box with the finished product on the conveyor falls into the zone of weight control. The computer monitors the set weight category. All underweight and overweight packages are pushed into the reject container. The collision is carried out by pneumatic pusher. We are satisfied with the equipment. Practice showed that this was the dispenser we needed. The competent advice saved me time and helped me avoid mistakes that I might have made if I had made the choice myself.